Hi friends, Keith Collins, market leader, Movement Mortgage. Hey, today I want to talk about the 5 rookie mistakes new home buyers make. Number 1, underestimating the cost. I find most rookie home buyers underestimate or overestimate the costs associated with buying a new home. Sometimes they underestimate the closing costs, maybe the additional out-of-pocket expenses like home inspections, pest inspections, roof inspections, or even just the down payment. I also find often buyers don't really understand how much they need to come in with. You can buy homes today with less than 3% down to buy a home. Number 2, not fully understanding your credit. There are awesome credit programs out there like Credit Karma or myfico.com that give you information about what's going on with your credit report. But in the mortgage industry, we use a completely different model. So often I'm talking with buyers and they're focusing on things that Credit Karma is telling them to do, which are great for overall credit score, but it may not be the most impactful thing that you can do to get the best credit score applying for a home loan. Number 3, don't go it alone. I often find first-time home buyers don't understand that the seller pays the agent's commission. So they're often looking at the cash that they have available to buy the house and they're saying, how do we pay a real estate agent to help us with this purchase? You don't have to. The seller pays the realtor when you're buying a home. So hire the best. Hire an amazing realtor that's going to guide you through the process. I highly recommend sitting down and doing a one-on-one consultation with the agent that's going to be representing you. They will find a home for you. Number 4, don't expect the dream home. I understand that we all want a perfect home. We do, I do. Everybody wants a perfect home, but this is your first home, right? Get a list of 10 things and understand maybe you're gonna get 7 or 8. Hey, you might get lucky and get 9 or 10, but just understand that this is the first home. I sometimes talk with first-time home buyers and they say, hey, look, we're gonna be in this home for 20 years, when the average person stays in their home for 9. Number 5, skipping the home inspection. Get a home inspection. The home inspection is one of the cheapest costs associated with buying a home that gets you the most information. A home inspector is going to go in the home, flip on switches, flush toilets, look at the roof, crawl in the attic. They're going to do a full body inspection of your home and list anything out there that they're concerned about, health and safety issues, maintenance issues, things that you need to correct right now and things to think about for the future. Get a home inspection. It's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of money. It's going to let you know what you're getting into when you're buying a home. I hope that's helpful. Everybody have a blessed day. It's Keith Collins, Movement Mortgage. Take care.